now. So we go get a number for you, and then after we manage something with her. But bro, you told me you was married 3 times before.
Oh yeah.
You was married 3 times before, 3 times.
Yeah, only that's the one you know anyways. But no, we are not going there. Don't worry.
Okay, let's start with the first one.
Let's stay with 3.
Let's start with the first one. Okay. How long did it took you to engage that woman in first place?
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
That was difficult.
Yeah.
She was playing hard to get at first.
But now if you're not the guy to play with that game,
when I finally got her, I gave her time as well, and I was also playing hard to engage.
So you was controlling the right.
It took us about 8 years.
8 years.
I was trying to check whether the everything was okay. You know,
8 years.
I need to check the shock cause you know, I had to check the shock if it's very okay, very well. You know, and then I had to check the pointed, the headlights. If the headlight was square before, so yes. So I didn't hurry. So
you needed guarantee, 8 years guarantee.
No. I had to take time. 8 years.
But why it took 8 years? 8 years is a long time, but don't you think?
Is it your 8 years?
Because let me tell you something. Nowadays we don't wait for 8 years. Nowadays, only after 2 days you get engaged.
2 days?
After 2 days, listen. Do you know DJ Cuppy?
DJ Cuppy. Oh. Now I know.
DJ Cuppy, yes, that's the beautiful girl.
Let me tell you, I even heard the story last time. Is she not the daughter of the famous billionaire?
Exactly. So you really know her?
Of course I know. It's the name that you called that was making me not to. I was a little bit confused. Her name is Yeboah. That is her name. And you are calling her what do you call
DJ Cuppy.
DJ Cuppy.
Yes, now DJ Cuppy is her.
Let me tell you something. I know her very, very well. In fact, her father and myself, we attended the same secondary school, even the same primary school. So that when he went into business, I decided to go and teach in Oxford University. You understand that? That's why you can say he's a billionaire. You understand that? A cash wise. Me myself, I'm also a billionaire. Here. You understand that? But let us not go there.
I understand you well, my guy.
Let us not go there.
So while he was making money in Africa, he was teaching white people Benin at Oxford.
Let us not go there. It's okay. But the major thing right now is that she got engaged after 2 days.
Yes.
Let me tell you something.
Tell me, please.
If you watch carefully, the boy that she got engaged to is a bosser. You understand? So if you were the boy, would you engage her after 2 days? The boy is suffering from boxing every day, and he's tired of getting beaten up. So when he saw money, he ran inside.
You don't want to waste time.
He didn't want to waste time. You know, because let me tell you, people like that you call them gold diggers. You know, but there is a name we call them Oshofri. We call them Oshofri. The boy is coming to come and dig where he did not put inside the ground. You know, anyway, we have already told Ife which people call DJ Cuppy. We have had a family meeting. We have called already for the family meeting. We have to look into the matter very well. You cannot just come after 2 days. I want to come and marry our daughter.
Especially when the father is rich like her. I mean, not even rich. He's a billionaire. That's the difference.
You are saying it anyhow. Do you know the meaning? When you hear the name Osei-Tutu, it's not just a billionaire in Africa. There's a billionaire in the whole world.
Shit.
That boy is a boxer. He cannot come and box our daughter and just take money for free.
Domestic violence.
If you want to make money, he should go and box to continue his boxing and engage him with his boxing, not with our daughter. Let me tell you something. If she should marry like that and get after 2 days get engagement and marry that boy, the boy will change her to boxing. Oh, the marriage will not last. That's just the truth. He will be boxing her every day.
But you think a marriage like this can succeed for, let's say, 10 years?
Let me tell you something.
Tell me.
Getting engaged after 2 days, it is too early. I am not supporting those people that we engage after how many years? Of course not. Oh, leave my own case. But in my case, it's different.
It's a special one.
It's a special one.
That was back in the days.
Yes. These days, you don't need to wait for too long to engage a woman. Some people will tell you, I'm still trying to do courtship. What are you courtship? After sleeping with the girl, having six abortion, yourself like you still don't want to engage her. What are you waiting for? But not 2 days. Come on. How can you marry? How can you get engaged to the woman after 2 days? That's what we call gold digging. And it will not work with our daughter. We have already had our family meeting.
But she could have said no also now. She could have said no also, but that one is, I'm not the father, so I can't really judge this. Since I don't belong to the family.
She has no voice in this. But I and the father, we have already discussed about it, that we know what to do. So yes, like I said, boxer, please continue with your bossing, not with our daughter. It will not work. 2 days of relationship, you want to come and engage. Rubbish.